know what my favorite thing to do on my birthday is to just not do anything, like to not stress. That's what I want to do on my birthday.
That's right.
And sometimes that means not having obligations, even though we have obligations, but we don't have obligations. You know what I mean?
That's right.
Yeah. So I forgot to plan, because I was thinking, I was like, man, do I plan do I do a birthday dinner and then I like invite like some friends, and then in my mind I was like, man, that takes planning. No, thank you. Where the fuck are we, Arthur?
Well, we're taking like the same entrance the way we did last time.
Oh my god. Okay, I thought you were taking me to a field.
No. I mean, yes, ma'am, but I'm taking you where you asked me to go, ma'am. Does it feel weird that I call you ma'am?
A little bit. Like it's solidifying the fact that I'm auntie.
What do you want me to call you?
Honey bear.
Okay, honey bear.
Snookums, wookums.
Okay, honey bear, snookums, bookums.
Pookie wookie.
Okay. Oh my god, I already forgot the first two words.
Wifey.
Okay,
Queen
wifey.
slay.
Queen slay.
Okay, Arthur. So I have a next task for you that I really want you to do.
Yes, wifey, queen slay.
I want you to order the coffee in the gayest voice that you can do. The most flamboyant voice that you can do. Please.
Okay. Yes, wifey, queen slay.
I want a medium iced latte.
Medium iced latte.
Extra pump of espresso and 1 pump of caramel.
Can you write that down?
You'll remember.
Wrong window.
We're not using the speaker box right now.
Oh, they're not using the speaker box. How amazing. I had to do it in person. Oh, how amazing. Oh, there's a car in front of us. Okay. Great. This is just as bad for me, Arthur. Do you want me to write it down for you? Okay.
Yes,
medium
please.
iced
Queen
latte.
slay.
Extra pump espresso. 1 pump caramel.
Are you sure that's what you want?
Yes.
Oh my god, hi. Could I please have a medium iced latte with an extra pump of espresso and 1 pump of caramel?
You say one medium iced latte with like a pump of caramel and then you say 1 extra shot of espresso?
Yes.
Alright, what else? Almond milk?
Yes.
Oh.
Alright, anything else for you today?
That should be everything. Thank you so much.
$2 rewards upon number?
Yes.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I got a birthday drink.
Alright, just a couple questions right here for you as well.
Oh, thank you. It's okay.
No.
It's okay. It's okay, honey.
Slay Queen.
Thank you, put it out for you.
Thank you.
You're doing so good, Arthur.
I'm sorry that I failed this. I could do better. I know I have it more. I know I have more zestiness in me.
I want you to say thank you. I say, oh my god, thanks. You gotta go, thanks.
Sounds the same.
Thank you, Slay. Oh my gosh, I was trying not to giggle. It was more about the voice cracks that got me. You sound like you were in pain.
Yes. Queen Slay. Wifey.
Thank you, bitch.
May I speak freely?
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm so excited for my birthday.
See? Okay, that's good. Slay Queen. Oh my god, I'm so excited for yours too. It's gonna be an alert. I like how you were like, almond. And she was like, what? Almond? Yes.
Sorry, did you say the first one with oat milk?
No, it's just regular milk.
Okay.
I've never seen you so happy. You look just as creepy just sitting there, smiling. They're looking at you from inside the window. This is such a good idea. I'm excited. You want me to put the next address in? We're gonna go get some blind boxes. Slay!
Oh my god, yes, queen.
Need the one with regular milk?
Oh, thank you so much.
And this is your wine with almonds. I have the label on the top.
Oh,
Okay?
thank you.
You have a good one.
Thank you, you too.
Why you sound like a prepubescent teen? Mmm. Delicious.
Okay, I can stop here for a second. We don't have anybody behind us.
Correct. Are you okay?
Oh my god, yes, queen.
Why are you doing it better now?
I only slept for 3 hours.
I thought you loved role playing.
Oh my god, yes, queen.
Something went wrong. Please check your connection and try again. This is a good birthday already. Where's it at?
Oh my god, it's 1337. Lead.
What? Is this it?
I thought it's going to be TTS.